Research in India shows that a large number of Indians suffer from foot problems, and I'm sure that many of you must have experienced pain in your foot, heel or knee. Like they say, prevention is better than cure. We feel that it's high time that we get into the highly specialized preventive foot care solutions for patients in India. At Ottobock, we use top-notch technology in contemporary scanning devices using 3D and 2D images.
Today we have Mrs. Vajanti in our clinic and we will be going to carry out a clinical assessment for her foot. Ma'am, could you please tell me what kind of problem you're facing?
Yes, for a long time now I've been having pain in my calf and my glute muscles after walking and exercise. I have tried different sports shoes, gel insoles and insoles with additions, but it hasn't helped. My pain has just spread to my other muscle.
Don't worry ma'am, we will do complete physical assessment followed by scanning of the foot. We will now scan your foot with our 3D foot scanner and pressure mapping device. As you can see the complete information of your foot, we can also mark the specific area on the foot where callosities, pressure-prone areas are present.
I have received foot scans of Mrs. Vajanti. Now, based on the history of the patient, clinical assessment and scan information, I will be designing insole for her. The intelligent software has lot of preset modules to minimize errors. Height adjustment, arch adjustment, scoop for offloading, metatarsal pads adjustment. Once the modification is done, then just with press of a button, I can command the milling machine to mill the insole. We use different multi-layered EVA blocks for different clinical conditions. We use different cover material for different patients. Like for diabetic patients, we use one with more cushioning. For those who sweat a lot, we have another option. For us, patient compliance is most important. The insole for Mrs. Vajanti is ready to be delivered. Our insoles are advanced, innovative and precise.
A friend recommended me Ottobock, who would make insoles specifically for my feet. I was a bit skeptical because I've tried different insoles, but when I went to Ottobock, they made me walk on different scanners and map my footsteps, and then they showed me the areas which caused me pain and discomfort. They made insoles which were meant specifically for my feet. After getting used to the insoles, I'm pain-free, there's no discomfort.
We were recommended to use insoles for our daughter when she was around 2.5 years old. We got it done locally for her, but we were not happy with the process and with the outcome. And then we came to Ottobock with our daughter for the first time. Anisha is using Ottobock insoles for a month now. She is much more comfortable than what she has experienced before. And I'm happy that proper assessment was done for her and we can check her progress periodically the same way every time. Thank you, Ottobock.